Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read Hey Duggee, Duggee's Party. Hey Duggee, Duggee's Party. This is Nuri. This is Tag. This is Duggee. This is Betty. This is Rolly. And this is Happy. Duggee is busy building a model when the clubhouse doorbell rings. Ding dong. There's somebody at the door. Sing the squirrel. They race off to find out who it is. It's delivery chipmunk with a parcel for Duggee. I wonder what's inside, says Betty. It's wrapped up like a present, says Rolly. Happy gasps. It must be Duggee's birthday. Yay! Everyone agrees. We should have a surprise party for Duggee, cries Tag. What do we need? asks Betty. Duggee will know, says Nori. He has his party badge. The squirrels rush over to Duggee. Wait, calls Tag, stopping everybody in their tracks. We can't ask Duggee. If we do, this party won't be a surprise. We will have to do it ourselves. The squirrels' jaws drop. Duggee always helps them. Rolly looks for the party balloon, but he cannot find them anywhere. Duggee, where are the balloons? Woof, 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 replies Duggee. In the balloon box, says Rolly, of course. Then he whispers to Duggee, not doing your party, and runs off. Balloons, balloons. Rolly pumps up lots and lots and lots of balloons. More balloons. Soon the whole clubhouse is full of party balloons. I think that's enough balloons, Rolly, cries Betty. Nori and Happy want to make paper chain decorations, but they need a little help from Duggee. Snip, snip, snip. Duggee is good at making paper chains. Ah, poof, says Duggee. Thanks, Duggee. Betty and Ted decide who to invite to the party. Added Rogue. They make some beautiful, colorful invitations. Invitations ready. They cry, running off to deliver them. Come to Duggee's surprise party, say Betty and Tag, hand-delivering each invitation. Be there or be square. Balloons done, decorations done, invitations done. What's next? Birthday cake. Cheer the squirrels jumping up and down. Bread, raisins, cake made, says Betty. Let's decorate it with everything Duggee likes. Custards and spaghetti, says Tag, adding dry spaghetti stands to the cake. Lettuce and sprinkles, add Happy. Soon after the guests arrive and the squirrels call Duggee over. Surprise! Happy birthday, Duggee! Oh, woof, says Duggee, surprised and confused. It's not your birthday, asks Nori. But we saw delivery chipmunk brings you a present. Duggee shakes his head and opens the parcel. Inside are little figures for Duggee's model. Happy gasps, look, Duggee's model is all of us in the clubhouse. They are having a party, cries Nori, and so we are, adds Betty, giggling. Time for cake, cries Tag excitedly. Duggee's surprise cake looks amazing, and everyone tucks in. Duggee's surprise cake doesn't taste amazing. Never mind, the party is still lots of fun. Haven't the squirrels done very well today, Duggee? They have definitely earned their party badges. Oh, woof. Now there's just time for one more thing before the squirrels go home. Duggee's hug. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you soon with the next story. Bye-bye.